Hello and welcome to another exciting semester at Daytona State College. My name is Laura Stiegel. I'm the head women's volleyball coach here at Daytona State College, as well as an SLS adjunct instructor. I've been teaching SLS for the past 4 years and am excited and honored to have the privilege of instructing you this semester. Please know that I'm here to assist you in your academic journey, and although this is an online course, I am readily available to assist you throughout this semester. Whether you prefer a face-to-face meeting or a contact as simple as an email, we will work together to ensure you attain key principles and skills that it will take to not only be successful in SLS 1122, but in all subsequent courses here at Daytona State College. Throughout the semester, we will discover key elements for student success. As the semester commences, I want you to consider keys for your success and how you personally can apply each to your own personal excellence. Number 1, success is your choice. Every day you have to make a conscious, concerted effort to personal excellence. Number 2, be organized. Utilize tools that will enhance your organization. We all have busy lives. Throughout the semester, we will identify many tools for organization, but consider using, in the meantime, a planner, an organization app on your phone, Microsoft Outlook calendar, to-do lists, or the Pulse app to ensure your success this semester. Number 3, do your best work. Remember the old adage, anything worth doing is worth doing right. Commit time and effort to submitting your best product for each assignment. Be sure that is your work and that you have committed ample time to submitting your work on time. To ensure maximum credit, be proactive and work ahead of schedule so deadlines don't sneak up on you. And last but certainly not least, Number 4, be goal-oriented. Keep your goals in mind every day. This will keep you motivated throughout the semester to keep going even when the going gets rough. Your education is invaluable. Push through the challenges and know that your instructors are here to help you. There are countless resources on the Daytona State campus. Remember that your first source of help is always your instructor. Communicate early and often with your instructor so that we can be an advocate and assistant in your success. The ASC or Academic Support Center is a great resource for tutoring, especially for math and science. Not to mention that the ASC has a number of computers and tutors at your fingertips to help complete assignments. The Writing Center is a perfect spot for students to go when writing published papers for courses. They will help with all steps of the process, from drafting to revising all the way to publication. They are also well rehearsed in citation, which can often be challenging for students. The library is yet another phenomenal resource at Daytona State College. The research librarian will assist in finding scholarly articles and resources, while tutors and other personnel can assist you with other research and language arts needs. There are countless resources here on the DSC campus. Your job is to tap into the potential that each has to offer you to maximize your experience and success. Remember that success is your choice. There will be many opportunities to make excuses this semester, but I challenge you to rather accept your challenges and tackle them full force. Don't forget that you have so many people championing for you here at Daytona State College. I look forward to providing you with the exceptional content from SLS 1122. Sharing personal insight to success, as well as coaching and mentoring you to find the most in your potential, and then work diligently and relentlessly to achieve personal excellence. Attack this semester with an enthusiasm unknown to mankind, and you will realize your true full potential.